down around 3% right now. So Abhishek is here to take us through the Q3 numbers. Abhishek, take us through the highlights.
It's a mixed set of numbers coming in from Federal Bank, especially on the weaker side. Now, the net interest income is largely in line with our poll. Other income is up 61.5% YOY and about 18% sequentially. Remember that they sold stake in FedFina or Fed Bank Financial in Q3, so there is a one-off income over there. OPEX is elevated, growing at 5.9% quarter-on-quarter. In that, the employee expense is up 10.7% on a sequential basis. So PAT has come in at 1,007 crore versus our poll of 919 crore due to one-offs that are there in the PNL. Key ratios, net interest margin has declined a bit, 3 basis points down quarter-on-quarter to 3.19% versus 3.22%. Return ratios remain elevated, one of the best that you are seeing in last 8 to 9 years. ROA at 34, quarter high of 1.4%. ROE is strong at 14.8%. However, the risk weight asset to advances, either RBI's ruling has impacted or not, that needs to be clarified from the management. RWA to advances is at 21 quarter high of 90.9% when compared to 87.8% in the previous quarter. In terms of asset quality, slippages were expected to be on the higher side as per analyst estimate, and it has come in on higher side close to about 500 crore when compared to 373 crore in the previous quarter. Asset quality was expected to be improved on a sequential basis but saw increase or deterioration on a sequential basis. So in absolute value wise, gross NPA and net NPA ratio have increased more than 4% quarter-on-quarter, and for the first time in last 14 quarters, gross NPA ratio has actually increased to 2.29% versus 2.26%. So first time you are seeing deterioration in asset quality of Federal Bank in last 14 quarters. Back to you.
All right. Thanks so much, Abhishek, for getting us all those details. And we'll also get chatting with the management at 1:35 p.m. today to discuss the numbers. Do stay tuned in for that. But a quick